Welcome. Today, we start an exciting topic: how to build your own AI assistant, called a GPT or agent. A GPT is a smart digital helper that follows your instructions to answer questions, write emails, or do tasks automatically. You do not need to write code, just provide clear instructions. By the end of this video, you will build your own custom AI assistant. Let's begin. A GPT is a very smart text assistant. An agent is a GPT that can also take actions, like searching the web. A custom GPT is your personal version. You decide its job, what it says, and how it behaves. Think of a custom GPT as a smart assistant you design for a specific job. Why build a custom GPT? It saves time by answering questions automatically and works 24/7. It is consistent, easy to build with no programming needed, and scales fast to handle many users. Custom GPTs are perfect for customer support, document summarization, and idea generation. A custom GPT has 5 main parts, like a job profile for a new employee. First, name and profile. Second, instructions, which tell it how to behave. Third, knowledge, where you upload data. Fourth, capabilities, which are optional features like web search. Fifth, actions, connecting it to other apps. We'll cover each part, step by step. The process is simple. Step 1. Open ChatGPT. Step 2. Click Explore GPTs and Create. Step 3. Name your GPT. Step 4. Write clear, specific instructions. Step 5. Test it in the chat preview and fix any mistakes. Step 6. Save and share it with those who need it. Writing good instructions is the most important skill. Use this formula: role plus goal plus rules plus tone. A good example is specific, defining the role, goal, rules, and tone clearly. A poor example is vague, leaving the GPT unsure of its purpose or limitations. Remember, the more clear you are, the better it performs. Custom GPTs can use powerful tools. Web search lets it find current information. Data analysis reads and explains spreadsheets. Image creation generates professional images from text descriptions. File reading summarizes documents. Code execution solves math problems. API actions connect the GPT to external apps. Use only the tools required for your GPT's job. Consider the HR assistant example. Acme Corp built Alex HR Bot to answer employee FAQs 24/7. They uploaded the HR policy PDF and gave clear rules. The result: HR saves 15 hours per week, employees get instant answers, and the HR team can focus on strategy. Any team can achieve this with clear instructions and 30 minutes of setup. Avoid common mistakes. Do not use vague instructions. Be specific. Add rules for difficult edge cases the GPT should not handle. Always test your GPT thoroughly before sharing it. Never upload sensitive data unless your GPT is private. Finally, update it regularly, especially when policies change. In summary, a custom GPT is your smart assistant, built in 6 steps without coding. Remember the instruction formula: role plus goal plus rules plus tone. We saw how teams save hours using these tools. Your next step is to build your first custom GPT today. Use the template provided and share your results.